Pearl barley, a versatile and ancient grain, has stood the test of time as a culinary gem with a rich history that spans millennia. Believed to have originated in the Middle East and Asia, this hearty cereal grain, scientifically known as Hordeum vulgare, has been a staple in the diets of various cultures across the globe. Renowned for its robust nutritional profile, chewy texture, and earthy flavor, pearl barley has transcended its humble origins to become a cherished ingredient in a myriad of dishes. The term pearl in pearl barley refers to the process of removing the outer husk and polishing the grain to reveal its pearlescent appearance. This meticulous milling not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to a shorter cooking time, making it a convenient and time-efficient choice in the kitchen. Unlike its whole grain counterpart, the pearling process strips away the outer bran layer, leaving the inner nutrient-rich germ intact, resulting in a grain that strikes a perfect balance between nutritional value and culinary versatility. One of the most distinctive qualities of pearl barley lies in its exceptional nutritional composition. Bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, this unassuming grain boasts health benefits that extend far beyond its culinary application. Additionally, pearl barley is a notable source of key nutrients such as magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, essential for maintaining overall well-being and vitality. As a culinary chameleon, pearl barley seamlessly adapts to a diverse range of dishes, from hearty soups and stews to refreshing salads and pilafs. Its ability to absorb flavors makes it an ideal canvas for both savory and sweet creations, while its chewy texture adds a delightful element to any culinary masterpiece. This adaptability has earned pearl barley a place of distinction in cuisines worldwide, from the Mediterranean to Asia, where it is cherished for its ability to elevate the taste and nutritional content of various dishes. Beyond its culinary prowess, pearl barley has also found a place in cultural traditions and folklore. With roots deeply embedded in ancient civilizations, it has been revered as a symbol of prosperity, sustenance, and endurance. Join us as we delve into the world of this timeless grain, discovering the myriad ways in which it has left an indelible mark on our plates and palates alike. It's essential to recognize the grain's inherent health benefits, turning it from a mere kitchen staple into a nutritional powerhouse that promotes overall well-being. Here are 10 health benefits of pearl barley. Rich in dietary fiber. Pearl barley is an excellent source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health by preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Weight management. The high fiber content in pearl barley contributes to a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Heart health. Barley contains beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber known to lower cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Blood sugar regulation. The soluble fiber in pearl barley helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a suitable addition to the diet for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Rich in nutrients. Pearl barley is a good source of essential nutrients, including magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, and B vitamins, which play crucial roles in various bodily functions. Antioxidant properties. Barley contains antioxidants such as selenium, which helps protect cells from oxidative stress and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Supports immune function. The vitamins and minerals present in pearl barley, including vitamin C and zinc, contribute to a robust immune system, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Bone health. The combination of phosphorus and magnesium in pearl barley is beneficial for maintaining strong and healthy bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some compounds in barley, such as phytonutrients and antioxidants, exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing inflammation in the body. Stable energy release. The complex carbohydrates in pearl barley provide a steady release of energy, making it a sustainable source of fuel for physical and mental activities throughout the day. Incorporating pearl barley into your diet can offer a range of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to a balanced and nutritious eating plan. As always, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Thanks for watching.